Who was your first teacher? Who was your first teacher? Barsiisaan kee kan jalqabaa eenyu? My first teacher was Miss John. My first teacher was Miss John. Barsiisaan koo kan jalqabaa Johnny. Where did you go last weekend? Where did you go last weekend? Torbee darbe eessa deemte? I went hiking with my family. I went hiking with my family. Tabba yaabbuun maatii koo waliin deeme. When was the last time you cried? When was the last time you cried? Yeroon inni dhumaa ati boosse yoomi? The last time I cried was when I watched a sad movie. The last time I cried was when I watched a sad movie. Yeroon inni dhumaa ani booye yeroo fiilmii gaddisiisaa ilaaleedha. How did you travel to school today? How did you travel to school today? Har'a mana barumsaa akkamitti deemte? I traveled to school today by bus. I traveled to school today by bus. Har'a mana barumsaa baasiidhaanin deeme. What did you watch on TV last weekend? What did you watch on TV last weekend? Torbaan darbe TV irratti maal ilaalte? I watched a new TV series movie called Stranger Things. I watched a new TV series movie called Stranger Things. Filmi TV walitti aanu Stranger Things jedhamuun ilaale. When did you last have a bad dream? When did you last have a bad dream? Eebjuu badaa kan dhumaa yoom argite? I can't remember the last time I had a bad dream. I can't remember the last time I had a bad dream. Yoom eebjuu badaa kan dhumaa akkan arge yaadachuu hin dandeenye. When did you last tell a lie? When did you last tell a lie? Soba kan dhumaa yoom haasofte? I try not to lie, so I can't remember the last time I did. I try not to lie, so I can't remember the last time I did. Sobuu baachuudhaaf nan yaala, kanaafuu yoom soba kan dhumaa akkan sobe hin yaadadhu. What was the last movie you saw? What was the last movie you saw? Filmiin inni dhumaa ati ilaalte maalidha? It was a romantic movie called Crazy Rich Asians. It was a romantic movie called Crazy Rich Asians. Filmi jaalalaa Crazy Rich Asians jedhamuudha. What was the last book you read? What was the last book you read? Kitaabni inni dhumaa ati dubbiste maalidha? The last book I read was a mystery novel. The last book I read was a mystery novel. Kitaabni inni dhumaa ani dubbise mystery novelidha.